Hey everybody, it's Boys with the Most Toys coming at you again with another Minicon how to build a Minicon or a not a Power Master or a not Prime Master. What are they calling them now in the new series? I can't remember. But basically, here's your Minicon, Minibot, Minispy, whatever you want to call him. Something masters they're calling them now, but this is still the same thing. They're Micromasters basically. So they're small little vehicles that turn into little robots. So this guy, as you can see, is quite small. Scales up to the other ones that I've done in the past. And some people were asking for a semi-truck. And of course, if you want to change the colors to red and blue, you can make kind of like a movie Optimus Prime. But I did it in basic gray just so that you guys can do whatever color you would like. So you can see here, he's a semi-truck. Pretty cool. And I'll do the quick transformation and then we'll do what you'll need to build your own. So quick transformation is really is almost done if you flip them right over, but you're going to take these arms and you're just going to rotate them around like this. And then you can separate the legs however you like. And there you have your Minicon semi-truck. Okay. So it's pretty simple, it's pretty cool. It is kind of really posable because of the ball joints. So as I said, you could make it in different colors if you wish, but I'm going to show you how to build it in basic gray. So let's go check the parts you're going to need and see how to build this guy. So these are the parts you're going to need to build this guy. So pause the video here if you need to and go grab the parts. If you have all these parts handy, then come on back and join us and we're going to put it all together. All right, let's build the arms first. So we're going to take this piece like this, a 1x2 tile like this, a black 1x1 dot like this, and then you're going to find yourself this light gray clip. And you're just going to click it on to there. That makes one arm. And we're just going to do the mirror image and do the opposite arm now. So same thing again. And we have two arms. Okay, so you see the mirror image like that. Alright, so let's do the legs. We're going to take this guy, this bracket. We are going to take a 1x2 light gray, put it on like that. We are going to take the 1x2 with socket, put it on like that. And we're going to take another 1x1 plate, like that. We are going to take a light gray cheese slope, put it on like that, and a 1x1 light gray tile like that. Flip it around. We are going to do two black dots, and that'll make a leg. And we're just going to do again the mirror image on the other side here. Same thing again. Bracket. We are going to put a 1x2. We are going to put in the piece with the socket another 1x2, the two dots, a 1x1 flat, and a 1x1 cheese slope. So now we have arms and legs. So let's do the body. So we're going to take our 2x2 brick, our flat 2x2 tile, a 2x2 plate, and we're going to take these two pieces with the clippy pieces, one here and one here. Okay, so you can see things are starting to form up already. Then going to take the two pieces with the balls, one here, dark gray, and one here. Okay. From here, I'm just going to take this part, put one 1x2, another 1x2, and then this 1x1 light gray dot with the hole in it, and put it on like that. You can see things are taking shape. You're going to turn around to the other side I'm going to put this bracket on the front to make my front grille. And then I'm going to put on my 2 grill pieces, light gray. Again, if you want to do this in a different color to make Optimus or whatever, that is totally up to you, and you can do that, of course. Okay, from here, we're just going to go around to the back, and we are going to put on another 1x2 right in here. Okay. We are then going to go, let's go do the front first. So we're going to go here, the 1x2 smooth tile, like so. And then you're going to put on your 1x2 dark gray piece. Take your light, clear, translucent cheese slopes and put them on like so. You want to just put on your smokestacks as well, which are just the lightsaber pieces in light gray. So from here you can see we're almost done. So let's just do the final touches and put the body together. So now we're just going to finish off. So we're going to take another 2x2 plate and put it there under the plate with the dot on it. We are going to get our remaining pieces with the ball joints on it. So we have 2 of those, and we're just going to put them in like that. And then we're going to finish off with this bowl runner piece here and just put it in like that. So you can see here, well, we're just going to join things up together. So we are going to basically, let's do it in truck mode. So we are going to basically put on the wheels, basically, which will become the arms and legs, of course. So from here, you're just going to want to come back here and put on set number 1 and leg number 2. Okay, so they should look like this. And then now you're going to go and put the 2 arms or the side of the vehicle on. Put one on like this. And you're going to put one on the other side, the other arm we built. Okay. And then you can go and you can adjust your smokestacks however you like. They will be fidgety just because of the transformation and all the snapping we did, so I'm just going to put them back on here so that we don't have an issue and that it'll clear everything. So again, put them on. There we go. Okay, so there, let me zoom in a bit for you guys. There we have our robot mode again, or sorry, our vehicle mode. And of course you can go and you can change the color scheme again, as I said, to make it look like Optimus or whatever you like. So transformation is quite simple. You're just going to flip him up, pull your arms out, turn them around, move your legs how you like. And if you really want, you can take those smokestacks off and use them as swords or weapons or whatever if you like. But there it is. There's our Minicon semi-truck. Hope you enjoyed this one. Hope you enjoyed building it. Until next time, everyone, happy building. We'll talk to you soon. Take care.